Fed up with trying to fit a multi-dimensional solution into a two-dimensional spreadsheet? Want to plan and analyse your expenses at a level of detail that makes sense to you? IBM has hundreds of customers doing just that. The driver-based expense planning template allows you to choose the appropriate calculation method for each expense item you want to plan. Enter your plan for that expense in a grid crafted to suit the calculation method you have chosen.
Last Period Plus bases your forecast for each month on the preceding month, but allows you to make an absolute or percentage adjustment. This is suitable for items like salary. Volume times rate allows you to base your calculation on a driver such as headcount or another expense. So in the example here, pension is calculated as a percentage of salary. Last Year Plus allows you to base your forecast on what the expense was in the equivalent period of the preceding year, but again you can make an absolute or percentage adjustment. Full Year Phased allows you to input your plan at the full year level and choose a phasing to spread it over the months. By line allows you to do a zero-based budget where you can take advantage of Planning Analytics' powerful input capabilities. It comes complete with a sample set of compelling interactive visualizations with which you can analyse your actual and planned expenses, but it is easy for you to add your own. See how you can speed up and automate your period rollover with Planning Analytics' dynamic integration capabilities, updating your dimensions and data from your source systems with just the click of a button.
Learn how you can share different parts of your model with different people in your organisation, depending on the different role you want them to play. If this model does not reflect how you want to calculate and analyse the expenses for your business, you can change the model in this template to reflect your business. Find another template that is a better fit. We're continually adding to our templates. Use this template to get ideas on how to tackle your problem, but use the Begin a New Plan option to build your model from scratch. Ask for help. Our field and partners have helped hundreds of customers build solutions that are right for them.